I'm Steve Schoettle with Sea Island Forge. Today I'm going to be going over some accessories, tips, tricks, and safety features of our kettles with you. If you have any further questions, our owner's manual is always a good resource to go back to. So this is our spark screen that we make for our 30-gallon fire kettle. We also make one for the 50-gallon kettle. This is made out of all stainless steel. If I made it out of regular steel, the first time you used it, the next morning it would already be rusting. So let's say your fire is burning and you're ready to go inside for the night and you don't want to burn the house down or the neighborhood down. You can put your spark screen on top of your fire. Now you don't want to put it on top of a raging fire, so let your fire die down some before you go to bed. You pick your spark screen up with your poker, and it sits on the lip of the kettle right in between the stars. Now, if you're using your spark screen to keep your fire and your neighborhood safe while you're going in to eat dinner and you come back out and you're ready to take your spark screen off and put more logs on the fire or enjoy the fire, always use your fire poker to put your screen on and to take it off, because it is going to be hot. Now that heat can also burn off some of the high heat spray paint that we put on there. So if you don't like the way it looks, just get your rattle can of Rust-Oleum high heat spray paint to do the maintenance on your screen.